Got off to a slow start yesterday. Said he just wasn't focused in as he made 2 bogeys in the first 3 holes. So it is a much different start for Justin Thomas today.
The third, Justin Thomas, after a big drive, aggressive off the tee, very narrow hole, just 125 yards second. Oh, Paul, they're making it look easy. No surprise, man leads the PGA Tour in birdie average. Average is more than 4.5 birdies per round.
That's exactly right, Dan. Just a comfortable wedge. You got to manage your spin here as there's a false front on this green.
Yeah, pretty good shot. You're right, Bones. If it lands short, a few players, I should say.
Boy, is he feeling it. This is some start. And you said he could still make birdie zinger, and you bet he can.
Yesterday, Hideki's 63 course record is going to last a long time, but
that may be short-lived. Look at this start. That looks solid as well, too. 2 quality shots. There he goes. He's back at it. Birdie number 6 in the first 8 holes.
Well, we saw the eagle at 16. This was the approach at the par 5 10th. That set up his first eagle of the day.
Yeah. Yep. 7 under par for the round.
Conservative play here, which means he's going to play out to the right and not try and take driver over the trees. And this is good looking.
Yeah, very nicely done.
Tournament leader, Justin Thomas, way back down the hill. He can't really see it from 180, but the crowd will tell him the story. It's closer than an inch. It's a hole out. I did lie to you.
Why wouldn't you?
He did. Justin Thomas is in the zone.
From right to left. This does start towards the middle of the green. Now turning over right at it.
Oh, what a shot.
So he can actually land this ball 5 to 10 feet short of the hole with some spin on it. Now he's going to take the lower route, land it into that upslope. Oh, that's beautifully played. Wow, touch there.
That was a full-blooded poke. Little right, though, right? Oh, no. 309 carry, so that's only about 20 yards short of the green. Interesting. Almost made it. Inside 5 feet. But if you're going to do that, today's the day to do it.
Up at the 11th, Justin Thomas on a bit of a tear, trying to get this up and in for birdie. Loved what he said after the opening rounds, that I'd normally be frustrated.
Nice little kick. Delivery through the air.
Got that TSI2 working, JT.
Justin Thomas. Up ahead at the 15th. He started this third round at 2 under par after rounds of 69 and 69. And look at this. At the par 5.
Lean in and brush it in. Those.
Caught a great lie in the right rough. This from 129. And just another beautiful swing with an iron. Been really inconsistent with it over the last 2 seasons.
Yeah, it's kind of under pressure today. Try and get up there. These guys know, as I said earlier, get to 10 under. That would be pretty impressive.
This one headed at the left side of the green, needs a bounce.
Oh, now it's going to come back. Here we go. This is what we've been waiting for. There you go. Everyone's talking about Neiman, right? The 36-hole scoring record. It's actually owned by Justin.
He got a perfect read from Cam Smith. Knows it doesn't break quite as much as it looks.
Here we go. Breaks about that
much. Beautiful.
Maybe it's. Now Justin Thomas going down the left fairway at 8.
Boy, he loads that driver up and just lets it go at the bottom, doesn't he, Frank?
Yeah, I mean, he has like almost perfect launch characteristics, isn't it? So hits it beautifully on the up.
He shot 109. It's go time here, Frank. This one just a little bit right of the hole.
That's nice. After that excellent tee shot, middle of fairway.
Frank, that's a 5-iron. Gave it a club twirl.
Gets a nice bounce too, Cole.
Brilliant keeping it left. Disciplined iron shot, Frank, keeping that left of that green side bunker. This is a quick one. Oh, roll.
Oh, it's better than 7% chance of making. It's the average. These guys are better than average, that's for sure. So he vaults to 9 under.
Be 42nd and approach the green. A little high for JT.
Yeah, he's lined up pretty far right. He better sling this bad boy. And it looks like he did.
Oh, this on a great line.
This is shot of the day right here.
Get down that slope. Oh, that is going to be in contention right there.
A really good chance here, Frank. Uphill, breaking left or right. He read it like he was hitting a putt.
Why wouldn't you? And solo 4th. Justin Thomas.
Set up on the far right side of the tee box, trying to hit a little slider, and that is perfect.
That's going to really rocket up the fairway. Look at that. He looks like he's ready to have a big 2022.
JT!
Yeah, every facet of the game. He was spot on today.